No, I don't think I'll get it. I would've. They play them quite a bit.
Oh god. Where am I? Wait. What's that?
How about take this big Heelys, grab one of these. So when Beeper comes over, Beeper can actually get a shank in his ass. See me? Don't mind me just killing some of these. Damn man. I'm gonna come in and bite you. Stop first, man. Pick from someone else. I hear someone else talking. I guess I'll just quietly. There you go. But at least they're all separate as well. That's kind of nice. Owie, put the chainsaw. Now, why didn't you go this way? Oh. Oh, please stop running to the table. Thank you. No, he doesn't know anything. I could have just gone straight into it then. Oh, that one's she really just poked, but gotta be done, honey. Gotta be done. Silver deserves the best pokies. Oh. Oh, can I get a shankers? I can't see, so I see a bone. Yeah, what you do, man? Where is she? Fight me. Oh, he dead? Oh, wait, where? Did you go upstairs or did Johnny come down? Wait, is he down here? Why are you down here, bro? Come on. Why are you down here? What? Bro, the door's even open yet. What's there? Gotta get my double stamina run up. How is that still getting me? Go in near me. Bro, it's nowhere near me. Give me that.
I gotta be more quiet.
Well, I got Bubba and I got Sissy. But like, you literally cannot move with your bullshit. Fucking now, woman.
Opening the gate in the parking lot and kicking the gun down through it.
And then you got time. I'm probably dead.
I don't know if you guys want to start heading this way.
Yeah, the way's insane on me, you got it.
Thank you. It seems I've lost
He actually lost me. They got the gen off right now. I have got the bulb though. I can try turn that on. Shipman. Wait. I don't know where it is, so I don't pick up Sinnet. surprised Johnny hasn't actually found my footprints yet. Yeah, I'm not surprised he's level 1, man, because you've all been down here. Like, down there.
Are they really gone?
No, I don't. Yeah, he's a man actually, over there. For so long. He's still down here, so I'm gonna have to actually be quiet. I'll have to wait with a shank though, I think. Plus, I think there's only like 2 doors open. But there might be 2 of them that come down anyway. I think it's like my best option right now.
Don't even think about it, Anna. Just stay calm.
Maybe over here. Where am I? No.
What's that over there?
It's still down here, dude. The both are. Did they know that I'm here? They did see me take the bow, but I'm surprised it's still down here. No, bro. Apparently they're just looking for me, apparently. Like, bro. Well, at least Bubba's not over here, I hope. Please go away. He is coming over.
Sister's trying to jump back in.
They left. Finally.
You might think that I'm still down there, hopefully. He's coming back up. Hopefully you don't see my back.
Stay away from me.
Shh, woman.
They might stop the bleeding.
Bro, can you be quiet?
Oh, finally.
Come back down.
I need to
Please
find
go
the
back
others.
down. Fucking no.
You get away from me.
Does he know that I'm here? Oh my god. Yes, it is. So go away. Bro, give me a break. For God's sake. Like, these 2 have been on me the whole time. Can I go through the gap? Please. For God's sake, man. But we're just hanging on here because we robbed the belt like 5 years ago. Oh, I didn't realize you were right there. Of course you were, bro. Why did it close on me? Oh my god. Hated. Yeah, fuck you, footprints, bro.
I
Okay.
think I'm okay.
I'm not okay. Oh my god. And then I get this fucking 5-year slow down, bro. About to bleed out though. I mean, they haven't really leveled Grandpa, but everywhere I go, I'm just getting found by Johnny and fucking Bubba's hanging down here. Like, I'm so low on health, though. I'm gonna have to, like, run around and see if I can find heals. I think Bubba might be coming over. Run, heal. Tiny ass heal. Please don't see me. Right, maybe I get lucky and he doesn't notice it's me and I can just wait nearby and do it again. I can really do with another heal there. But they're all down. Should probably put poison on it. I should have took that as a chance, like run out, I think. I think she's coming back. Yeah, she's one of the ladders. I thought he knew something. Does he? I'm very surprised. What's up, bro?
What the fuck?
Fucking no. No chance. I just can't see my arm sticking out.
Oh, I can't believe this. My mind's blown.
Crazy.
I'm not.
I'm surprised he's still here, man. I'm not gonna be able to get it, man. Like, he's really hanging. And they're gonna be on a door each.
Oh my god! There's no fucking way!
Fuck's sake. I can't move, man. I can't move. I'm just waiting for my power, at least.
Dumb at first, like, but it was just trying to charge it up, but then he just went right by. Like, it's like, what the heck?
Yeah, this is crazy.
Oh, no way. It's probably gonna turn it off first, right? We'll probably get that again. Like, no. I think he got it, man.
In God's name.
I don't got anything, man. I don't know where I, like, go. Like, if this is open, that would help, but I don't think it is. Oh, nice.
Please let this stuff be safe.
Like, I think Bubba's just gonna come to Valve, no matter what. Sissy's like hanging on an eye, I guess. Oh man, like, I'm so tense up and it's taken so long, yet they haven't got Grandpa like leveled at all. Fucking no. But I feel like Bubba's just not moving from there. Like, if that valve gets done again, they won't be able to stop
I
it.
might be able to break those locks now.
For sure. So, hopefully... Because they're probably paranoid about the gen side right now. You know, I'm low.
Yes. Please fit in that lock.
And they're probably like trying to feed as well. I gotta do it fast because obviously Grandpa is only level 3, so we'll get him fast enough. But they're gonna hear this door as well, I think. I need another lock perk. Of times, man.
Finally.
If I get out after all this, though. No. Please, gotta go all the way around.
Finally. I can use this. Thank you, Lord.
At least I got more health now. Please. For God's sake, man. I was gonna peace because he's fucking
What's the timing on
distracted.
that? Holy-
Honestly.
It's too quiet.
Taking my time.
Not right.
She knows I'm here, but I'm gonna have to kill Grandpa soon.
Oh,
I'm just gonna fucking say, bro.
No way.
Fuck's sake, man.
loving me soon enough.
She like somehow act checked like she knew you were over there.
Yeah. Like, really fucking looking, man.
Finally.
Bubba still down here, man.
I need to find the others. Please, God.
There's that way he's just been camping it the whole time, man. Just be very going for his ass. Not stamina though. I mean, I'm surprised I'm fucking still alive at this point, man.
I'm okay.
But it's Sissy, so she's gonna be like all over my ass, man. Like, they're not focused on leveling really though right now. But gotta move because Johnny's for my footprints wherever he is.
Thought that's what you did because she can't find you. She probably went down the ladder.
Yeah, so we'll go over that way. Didn't want to fucking do that. I wanted the medicine, for God's sake, man. And now...
Maybe they were dumb and didn't see it. I mean, they didn't see you earlier, so I mean, I don't think they even did. I don't think any of them saw you. I think... Oh, maybe Sissy did. Oh. Oh no.
Got no chance fucking Grandpa that
If it
much.
wasn't for Grandpa right there, she would have
Yeah.
saw you.
That was rough, man. Fucking Bubba's so wide then. Like, that's crazy, dude. Bro, I can't see. Like, every time I go down a ladder, my camera goes so fucking weird. Bro, look at him! Fuck me.
Why didn't they just feed Grandpa?
Oh my god, I didn't even see him.
All this time, they could have been feeding Grandpa and they would have been about hunting you all over the place.
So you're like fucking paranoid about Val, bro. Like, he's not even moving. Bro, man, I've lasted so long as well. It's just like getting any exit though, man. Fucking rough. Please heal. Tried to help before she died, yeah.
Damn, GG.
Long man.
I don't even care. Even if
Damn,
though
you
you
did really
died, you
good.
were clowning on him the whole game.
Hey, let's go. Let's go.
You guys aren't the brightest.
Game was so long. I've been at the longest game I've had. Fucking me, bro. It would have been great if I got out after all that. Jeez.